Oh,
What is that?
oh.
What is that?
What is it? Open it. I want to see.
Sorry.
I think it's an animal.
It's obviously living. It's making noise.
What?
Give me your hand. No. I know. Just.
I know what it is.
Parrot one.
No, Tally, wait. I want to put your hand in front, okay? Put your hand.
It's a parrot.
I got a parrot.
Can I hold her? Or him? Is it a...
He might be a little scared because he had a drive home, right? So he's comfortable with the yellow shirt because he's been hanging out with me at work.
What's his name? Is this a boy or a girl?
His name is Claude.
Claude.
If you put your yeah, there you go.
Hi.
Oh.
Okay. Just be gentle. If you put your hand in front.
I know how to handle birds.
I like you, Claude. You're beautiful. Well, handsome.
It's cute. Bird boy.
Oh.
Where's his enclosure? Where's his enclosure?
We're gonna use Fluffy's black cage. Bring up your face and you do that.
Somebody bit me on the lip. It's bleeding. Look, blood.
What a beautiful bird.
Oh,
Nice, eh?
Nice surprise, eh?
how much?
He was at our job site and he was flying around and he was so comfortable. He went to my friend, his name is Claude.
Oh, there he goes. Just